Hello guys, welcome to Tech Defender Nitish. Today in this video, I've created CGPA calculator using Java. So this is a very basic project because I believe when you are learning Java, so learn with small project so that you can develop your logic or you can learn practically because coding is practically do 20% theory and focus 80% on practical. So here I've created a very small project but which is very effective if you learn and know how to build this project. It's very beneficial for you because during building this project you will learn how to take inputs using a scanner class, how to import the class, how to create class methods, and how to create the objects of this. So all this concept, we know the basics are very important. So first of all, complete your basics. So here I import Java integer scanner. Basically, this is used to take input from users, and then I create a class. In the class, I created the object of the scanner because this is the syntax of taking the input. So here, basically, this is the object I created of scanner class. Then I display a simple message here. Then this is step one. So here we are getting the total number of cores. Then here we create array to store the credit and grades. Okay, this is the array which I created to take the credits and grades, and by default I give it 0. Then I created a for loop where a loop will run and get the repeat to take the inputs. Then I created the grade points, how to calculate this. This is the calculate totals, okay. Then in final, I display the results here. So this is a very beginner level friendly project, but please do it practically and run the code so that you can understand this project. So you can see clearly and write the code so that you can understand it. Now let's run it. So here I am going to enter the number of course. Suppose I have 2 courses. Then in the course 1, enter the number of credit hours. Suppose the hours is 5 and I got 8 grade. Then in the credit second course I suppose 6 hours and I get 9 grades. Then here you can calculate the total credit and total final CGPA. So this is a very beginner level project. You can map this. This is very important. Thank you. If you want to learn Java practically and do practical with Java, please do it, subscribe, and don't forget to like, because on this channel you will get all the practical things related to Java. Thank you.